A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square-shaped grass field. Side is given as of side 15 meter by means of 5 meter long. Figure is already given in the book, so this is the figure. Find we have to find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can reach. Okay, let's do this one. Then I'm writing the another part also. So here it says I'm just copy pasting the figure because we don't have to draw the by ourselves. Okay, so basically the figure looks like this. We are having a square and then a horse is tied like this. Here we are having a horse. Okay, and it is given like this in the figure itself. That this is how the horse is present. Yeah, let's read the question. Here the question says that a horse is tied to a peg, which we can see in the figure. Okay, horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square. We can see clearly in the figure itself. Okay, the square shaped grass field we are having. Okay, whose side is 15 meter. So this is square. It looks like a rectangle, but don't worry, we'll be taking it as a square. Okay, it's a square. Side is 15 meter. Okay, by means of a 5 meter long rope. So the length of this rope, this is a rope. Okay, length of the rope is given as 5 meter. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Okay, area of this part of the field in which the horse can graze. This much part, this complete area we have to find. Okay, this complete area we have to find. Just a second. This complete area we are supposed to find. This area horse will be able to graze. Yes or no? Right? It is indicated in the figure as well. So basically what we have to do, we have to find the area of the sector. Area of the sector we have to find, and a direct formula we are having. Like, are you able to understand that? Yes, we have to find the area of the sector over here. The sector which is represented. Yes or no?
It
Are
looks
you
like a
getting it?
quadrant, right?
Yeah. Can you repeat, Mama?
It looks like a quadrant.
It looks like a quadrant. Okay, but will not be taking it as a quadrant. We know this. We know this length is given. Okay, yeah, it looks like a quadrant and it is a square also. Yes, great. We will be taking it as a quadrant because we know it's a square. Okay, it looks like a square and it is like this is a square. And if it looks like a quadrant, it is a quadrant only because 90 degrees is here. Okay, so again, yesterday we were finding the area of the quadrant like that. We'll be finding here. Okay, this sector's area we have to find. Okay, so you can use the direct formula, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. Here pi is okay, r is the length of the rope. Can you see 5 meter? Everyone getting it? Area of the portion which horse can graze will be this area. Are you getting it, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, either you are finding like this or you are doing pi r square by 4, you will be getting the same area. Okay, basically here this is also pi r square by 4. Okay, this is also pi r square by 4. Either you are doing like that or you are doing like this, it's the same thing. Okay, either you are saying that you are finding the area of this quadrant which horse will be grazing, okay, or you are taking just the sector's area formula theta by 360 into pi r square, it's the same thing. Okay, we'll be getting the area over here. Please find the area and tell me what is the area.
I can use the area of contents formula too, right?
Wait, wait. Yeah, we'll be using the area of the quadrants formula, or maybe you will be using this formula, area of the sectors formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. That's what I was telling Maha, that if you will be taking theta as a 90 degree, right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you will be taking theta as a 90 degree and you will be doing pi 360 into pi r square, 9 4 times 36, basically it is pi r square by 4 only. So either you are using the quadrants formula, that is pi r square by 4, or you are using this method, it is same thing, right? Are you getting my point, Maha?
Yeah.
Okay, rest of the student, are you getting it? Yes
Yes.
or no? Okay, please do it. Who's joined just now? Yes, Sumaya, you joined just now. See, we have just started with this question. We have just started with this question where the question was, a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field we are having, okay, whose side is 15 meter. A horse is tied a square shaped grass field we are having, whose side is 15 meter. Okay, a horse is tied at one peg at one corner. Okay, horse is tied like this by a rope. The length of the rope is 5 meter. Okay, and here we are having the horse. Now in book the figure is already given. The horse is grazing like this. This is the maximum. This point is the maximum horse can go. Okay. So what is the area horse will graze? Okay. So basically we are finding the area of the sector. This sector's area we are finding. we were having sectors area formula, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. Here we understood that theta is nothing but 90 degree. Why? Because it's a square, so each interior angle will be 90 degree. Okay, and that's what I have written over here, that 90 by 360 into pi, and r is this 5 meter, the length of the rope, this 5 meter. Okay, and everyone is doing the calculation. This 5 meter is the length of the rope. Okay, everyone is doing the calculation. Please do it and check what is the area of this sector which horse can graze. Are you getting it, Sumaya and Fazan?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Yes.
no? Yes, do it. Let me know what are you getting. Answer. What is the area? See, I have written everything over here. 90 by 360 to pi into 5 square. Because the length of the rope was 5.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm getting 19.64 meters square.
Yes, everyone getting the same 19.64. Yes, everyone getting the same. Ibad, Galvin, Aisha, are you getting the same?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let's move. Yes, Sumaya and Fazan, please check it. Is it 19.64? Meanwhile, I am writing the other part as well. The next part says that the increase in grazing area we have to find. If the rope were 10-meter long instead of 5 meter. Okay, if the rope were 10-meter long instead of 5 meter, then what will be increase? See, increase in grazing area. That means previous area, and now with 10-meter rope, what will be the sectors area we'll be finding, and then we will be doing the subtraction, and we will be finding only the increase part. Okay, are you getting it? Increase in sectors area we have to find when now the length of the rope is 10-meter.
So to
Okay,
change the
so
radius,
yes, we have to change the radius. Now radius is 10-meter. Okay, now radius is 10-meter. Therefore, area of the sector will be area of the sector which horse can place. Okay, it will be again theta by 360 pi r square, or directly pi r square by 4. Whatever you want to write, write it. Please find the area over here also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
getting 78.54 meters square.
78.54 meters square. Everyone is getting the same. Are you getting the same? Please let me know. Yes, everyone getting 78.54. Yes, Aisha, are you there? Calvin, Kazan, Sumaya, Ibad, are you getting the
Yes.
same?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
78.54
ma'am.
if you have got, then here we don't have to find what will be the area when we are having 10 meter as a radius. Here, increase area we have to find. That means now whatever area is there and previously whatever area we have found, we have to do the subtraction to check only the increased part. Okay, so increase in grazing area will be 78.54 minus 64. Okay, is to the subtraction, that will be the increase. 19.64. Okay, required answer will be the increase in tracing area. Is it clear to all of you? The question was very simple, horse and all story was there, but basically you will be finding every time either the area of the sector or the area of the segment. Okay, so you just need to identify whether it is asking about finding the area of the sector or it is asking about finding the area of the segment. Here it was clear that the horse is tied at the one end and horse will be grazing complete area. Okay, that will be the maximum which was shown. Okay, a curve was shown over there, a circle, an arc was shown over there. Okay, here I'm talking about this arc. Okay, this arc was shown in the figure. You can check your book. This arc is shown in the figure in your book as well. So you can understand that is the maximum horse can go. So obviously horse will raise the complete this area, and that area only we have to find. That means area of the sector. Why this 15 is given over here? That is just to make us confused, or just one more extra information, that is since it is a square having side 15 meter, we are not going to use it. Getting it?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's do this one. Read the question. Let me draw the figure, then I'm explaining it. Okay, a circle is given in the figure like this. Okay, and that is there like this. Yes. I'm trying to say anything. So this is how we are having the figure, okay, or the sign and knowledge given inside that. So a brooch is made up of silver, okay. It's made up of silver wire in the form of a circle. The circle is having the diameter 35 millimeter. Okay, the diameter of the circle is 35 millimeter is given. Fine. Okay, the wire is also used in making 5 diameter. So basically we are having a certain length of the wire, and with the help of that wire what we are doing, we are making a circle, and then a part of the wire is left. So we are making 5 diameters inside the circle. 5 diameters extra we are making. Okay, a particular specific length of wire you are having, and out of that wire you are making a circle. Your wire, still you are left with wire, so you are making 5 diameters and you are arranging like this, the way it is looking in the figure. 5 diameters we are having. Okay, so which divide the circle in 10 equal sectors. This way you can see 10 equal sectors we are having over here. The total length of silver wire required, the total length of silver wire which is required. So we can think about finding the length of arc, right? Circumference of this circle, I mean circumference of this circle, yes or no? That is called the length. Are you getting it? If you have to find the total length of the wire, that means you will be finding the circumference of the circle. Okay, that is the length. And what else? 5 diameters also we have made out of that wire. So the circumference plus 5 diameter. Am I making sense? सपोज
Yes.
हमारे पास एक वायर है, ओके, हमारे पास कोई भी एक वायर है, उस वायर से हम क्या क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, एक सर्कल क्रिएट कर दे रहे हैं, और अभी भी वायर, कोई भी एक ऐसा वायर अगर हमारे पास है, ओके, इस वायर से क्या हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, एक सर्कल क्रिएट कर दे रहे हैं, और अभी भी हमारे पास वायर बचा हुआ है, तो और क्या क्रिएट करें, और उस सर्कल के अंदर हम 5 डायमीटर्स उस वायर से ही क्रिएट कर रहे हैं। ओके, तो टोटल लेंथ हमारे जो ओरिजिनली जो वायर था उसका टोटल लेंथ क्या होगा, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि जो सर्कल का सर्कमफेरेंस है प्लस 5 डायमीटर्स का जो लेंथ है, सारे अगर हम ऐड कर दें तो हमें वायर का टोटल लेंथ मिल जाएगा। यस और नो?
Yes.
एवरीवन गेटिंग इट? आर यू गेटिंग इट? Yes, please respond.
Yes.
Circumference of the circle plus 5 diameters length. Okay, like diameter of the first diameter plus the second diameter plus the third diameter plus the fourth, all are same length, so basically we can write 5 times diameter. Yes or no? Now here it is given that this is a circle we have made such that its diameter is 35 millimeter. Okay, so 5 diameter we are having, that means 5 into 35, and since we know the diameter we can find the radius. Okay, if diameter is 35 millimeter, then radius will be
35 by 2.
exactly, radius will be 35 by 2, and if we know the radius we can find the circumference of the circle. Okay, circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r. Next step, you can put the value. Pi is a 22 by 7, r is a 35 by 2, plus this you are already having 5 into 35. Please do the calculation and let me know what are you getting. Shall I leave it? Will you be able to do it? Okay, do it now. Quickly.
And the circumference I'm getting as 285 mm, the total length of the silver wire.
285 millimeter, right?
Yeah.
Yes, everyone getting the same. Yes, rest of the students, are you even doing the calculation? Noah,
285.
85. Are you getting it? Yes, Noah, when you join. Are you understanding whatever I was explaining over here? Was you there? 285 we are getting. Okay, that is the total length of the wire. Now the next part says that the area of each sector we have to find. How many sectors we are having? Clearly written in the question as well that there are 10 equal sectors. Okay, since 5 diameters we have drawn, so 10 equal sectors we have got. Okay, each sector area we have to find. Sectors area formula we already know, theta by 360 into pi r square. But the question is, what will be theta over
So
here?
each
Anyone?
theta will be 36, 360
Each
by
will
10.
be exactly. Okay, the complete this complete angle in a circle is 360 degree. And since 10 equal sectors we are having, 10 equal sectors we are having, then 360 by 10, that means 36 degree. Each one will be 36 degree. Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Subtended sector. Complete angle circle made up of 360 degree of course and divided in 10 equal sectors, we are getting 36 degree. Therefore area of each sector, again theta by 360 into pi r square. Our theta is 36 by 360, okay, into pi r we already 35 by 2 we are saying that is r, so that r square. Okay, and we are done. Do the simplification. Let me know what are you getting meanwhile I'm thinking another question. Yes, everyone getting
Where
it
I'm
or not?
substituting
And
the pi.
yeah, we'll be substituting pi as a 22 as.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm getting 96.25 mm square.
Everyone getting the same. See, I have even not checked the answer. I'm asking you if everyone is getting same. This will be the answer. Please confirm.
Yes.
Okay. Let's. Yes. Rest of the student. Sumaya,
I'm
Noah,
also
are you
getting
getting?
I'm also getting
Uh,
96.25.
okay. Aisha.
Then I'm getting 96.25.
Okay. So everyone is getting the same. Let's move. This is the answer. Okay. Aisha, have you done Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting the same Aisha? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here the next question says that a car has two wipers. Okay, a car has two wipers which do not overlap. Two wipers we are having which do not overlap. Okay, so let's read the next one. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter, sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. Two blades, two blades are working simultaneously. One time they sweep, and what is the area they have cleaned? Two blades. Okay, two blades together work. They are working together, and what is the area they has cleaned? Okay, so basically the length of the blade is given as 25 centimeter. Okay, and angle it is maintaining 115 degree. Like that, another blade is also there. Okay, like that, another blade is also there, which is working exactly like this. Okay, here it is also maintaining 115 degree. It is also 25 centimeter long, and the both the areas are different because initially it says that which do not overlap. Okay, so there is no overlapping in the area. The area covered by the first blade, it's completely different. Like everything is same, angle is same, length is same, but the first one is covering a certain portion of the area, and second one is also covering a certain portion of the area, not overlapping is there. Okay, so basically we'll be finding the area of the sector. That's it. It looks like a sector only, right?
Yeah.
Okay, area of the sector will be finding by using the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. That is the formula for finding the area of the sector. The formula is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Okay, we are using the formula here. Theta is given 360. We are taking a pi. We'll put the value r is 25 centimeter. Okay, that is where, but here we are having two plates working together, so into two we'll be doing initially, and that will be the area. Okay, that will be the area. See, find the total area cleaned at each swipe. Okay, each sweep of the blades. Okay, both are working, so in each sweep what is the total area they are covering? We'll be able to find it from here. Yes or no? Please do the
Yes.
calculation. Everyone getting it? Yes, everyone, are you getting it?
Yes, sure.
Yes,
Do the
ma'am.
calculation. Yes, what are you getting? Yes, what are you getting? Is it too complicated? The simplification? Yeah, I think it will come in this, right?
I think what I got is wrong, but I got 606.98.
Yes, rest of the student, what are you getting? Yes. Yes, it is coming big number like 1254 point something. Okay, okay, please check the calculation. Okay, you will be able to do it by yourself. Okay, at your home, just sit peacefully and check where exactly it went from. Okay, yeah, 1254.96. That's what we are.
And can you
Yes,
write the
Mama.
answer?
Yeah. Okay, please check it. Uh, just do the simplification carefully. This 360 I can see it will get cancelled by 2, it will get cancelled by 22 also, and by 5 also. So please do it and check it. Okay, let's do the next one. So this one is also like to warn ships for underwater rocks. A lighthouse is spread a red color light. Okay, a lighthouse is spreading a red color light over a sector of an angle. See, it is clearly written that lighthouses is spreading over a sector. Okay, so basically we are getting a sector over here. Okay, a sector like this we are getting. Angle is mentioned that 80 degrees. To a distance that means 16.5 kilometer distance is given. And find the area of the sea over which the ships are on. That means find the area of the sector. Okay, sector of an angle, basically we have to find the area of the sector. Lighthouses is spreading the light and just making the sector like this. Okay, somewhere here lighthouse is just spreading the light whose length is 16.5 and creating the sector that here danger we are having. Okay, we have to find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. Okay, so basically area of the sector. Okay, area of, let's write the statement which it says area of the sea over which, area of the sea over which ships are warned. Again theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is given, r is given. We will be able to do the calculation. Theta is given as a 80 degree by 360 into pi. R is given as kilometer. In kilometer it is given, but that okay, it can be in millimeter, it can be in kilometer. Our answer will be 16.5 is there. Okay, that's the square we are going to do. And you will be getting the final answer in kilometer as well. Okay, will you be able to do it by yourself?
What are you taking the radius as?
16.5. See here it is given that to warn ships for underwater rock, a lighthouse is spread a red colored light over a sector to a distance 16.5. This is the radius. Getting it?
Yeah.
Okay, so radius is given, angle is given. We just have to find the area of the sector. You will be able to do it. Please do it. Okay. So yeah, I'll be keeping till here only. I wanted to take one more question, but we will run out of time if I write.